There can be various reasons why the flashlight function on your iPhone may cease to work. Typically, software bugs or glitches are the culprits, but it could also be related to your device's power status. Here, we'll explore the steps to diagnose and resolve the issue, all of which are applicable to any iPhone model. Check battery. Ensure your iPhone has sufficient charge. If the battery is too low, the flashlight won't operate. Disable low power mode. Low power mode can disable the flashlight. Turn it off through Siri or in Settings, battery, or from the control center. Close camera app. Sometimes having the camera app running may conflict with the flashlight since both use the same bulb. Ensure the camera app is closed. Restart iPhone. A simple restart can resolve many software-related problems and glitches, potentially fixing the flashlight. Reset iPhone settings. This step resets your device's settings to default without erasing your data or apps. It can help restore the flashlight functionality. Restore from backup. Restoring your iPhone from a previous backup can repair lost or corrupted data, which might be affecting the flashlight feature. Factory reset. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset to resolve software issues. Remember to back up your data before proceeding, as this will erase everything on your device. In conclusion, troubleshooting the iPhone flashlight not working issue involves a systematic approach, starting with checking the basics like battery and settings, and progressing to more advanced solutions, if necessary. Ultimately, the goal is to restore the functionality of this essential feature on your iPhone.